Hi, welcome to my channel. So in this video we are going to see a very good news to the graduation or else the post graduation candidates to the departments whatever I am going to show you right now. Why? Because it is a wonderful opportunity in this pandemic situation. We got this one from one of the state government guys. The total 490 permanent vacancies are there, and here the opportunities are there for the graduation as well as the post graduation. Even though if you are a fresher, not a problem, you can apply for this job guys, and you will get the central, seventh central pay scale. Okay, so please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the government jobs. Okay, so it is a wonderful opportunity, so please help to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe my channel and then tap the bell icon. So before going into the main content of this video, here one announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGC December 2020 cycle exam, so from April 7th onwards, the revision through the previous year questions for the paper 1 as well as the electronic science. Okay, so utilize this opportunity guys, and the details regarding this one I kept at the end of this video, and the links I kept in the description box of this video. Coming to the present content of the video. So a notification Punjab government से आया. So Punjab government initiative under Ghar Ghar Rozgar. So from this one, here few vacancies are there regarding the account officer, AE, OT, electrical, civil, account officer, and the assistant manager, HR, assistant manager IT, divisional accountant, junior engineer substation, junior engineer civil communication, telephonic mechanic, and lower division clerk or typist, and lower division clerk accounts against the CRA in Punjab State Transmission Corporation Limited. Okay, and coming to the important dates, so just today we got this notification guys, 26 April 2021, and application fill up करने के लिए आखिरी तारीख 17th May 2021. Okay, and the fee deposit करने के लिए आखिरी तारीख 19th May 2021. Okay, so here the official website is also there. Okay, I will provide all the necessary links in the description box of this video, and you may check down the name of the post, that is assistant engineer or else the OT electrical. The basic and professional qualification is full-time regular, BE or BTech or BSc degree in electrical engineering or electrical and electronics engineering with minimum 60% or equivalent degree recognized by the AICTE, or else AMIE with 60% of marks from Institution of Engineer, India, Kolkata. Here the total 43 vacancies are there from this one, and the pay scale as per the 7th Central Pay Commission. Okay, and next one is assistant engineer OT civil, full-time BE or BTech or BSc engineering in civil engineering with a 60% or else equivalent degree, and this one also will get the 7th pay scale. Account officer, total 7 vacancies are there. Chartered account CWA or CMA is the qualification required. And coming to the assistant manager, 2 vacancies. So 2 years full-time regular MBA degree or PG diploma recognized by the AICTE with specialization in HR or IR with at least 60% of marks, or else this regular courses. And coming to the assistant manager IT, only 1 vacancy is there. So full-time regular BTech or BE or BSc engineering in computer science or IT with 60% of marks, or else the equivalent degree recognized by the AICTE, or else a full-time MCA, or else a full-time master's degree in IT. So coming to the divisional accountant, total 10 posts are there. Full-time regular BCom from an institution or university recognized approved by state or central government with 60%, or else a full-time regular MCom, okay, or CA. Next, coming to the junior engineer substation, total 200 vacancies are there guys. So full-time regular 3 or 4 years diploma in electrical or electrical and electronics engineering recognized by the state or central government board with 60% of marks, or else the BE or BTech or BSc engineering in electrical or electrical and electronics with minimum 50% marks, or else the equivalent degree recognized approved by the AICTE, or else AMIE in electrical or electrical and electronics. Coming to the junior engineer civil, total 15 vacancies are there. So here the diploma or else the graduation with 50% marks, and junior engineer communication, total 11 vacancies. So diploma in electronics or telecommunication, or else the graduation, or else AMIE. So telephone mechanic, total 15 vacancies are there. So full-time 3 or 4 years diploma in electronics and communication, and lower divisional clerk 140 vacancies are there. So full-time regular course in bachelor's degree approved by the university or institution with 50%, and one certificate must be there, at least 120 hours course with hands-on experience in the use of personal computer. Okay, or else few more qualifications are mentioned. And coming to the lower divisional clerk accounts, so these are the qualifications mentioned. Okay, so total these are the different posts and their corresponding qualifications, guys. So you are going to get the 7th pay scale, and here the knowledge of Punjabi is essential for all the posts. Okay, that means the candidates who are having the Punjabi knowledge language, only those candidates can apply. So for this purpose, all the candidates must have passed Punjabi of at least matriculation or its equivalent level before the last date of receipt of application. And the age limit 20 to 37 years. Okay, and 18 to 17 years for the different categories. You may check the relaxation in the age limitation as per the government of India norms, guys. Okay, so these are the details. The total 15 pages of notification it is. Okay, so whatever the important points that I mentioned, and to get the accurate details and the more points, I will provide the link in the description box of this video. So please click on that one, and then you will come to know all these details. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues, okay, who belongs or else who are looking for such type of opportunities with having the qualifications whatever I shown you right now. It will be very much helpful to them. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam, here one announcement follows, so listen guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UG Senate candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UG Senate paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UG Senate paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide